Hi everyone, welcome back to Sans Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. I'm very grateful that you subscribed to my channel. And if you just stopped by, I would be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join the family. If my video came as a recommendation from YouTube, I'm very grateful to YouTube. Thank you so much, YouTube, for doing so. Today, I'm participating in a challenge called as What Christmas Means to You. And this is hosted by Theresa B.DIY. I will leave the link of her channel in the description box and as well as the playlist of all the participants. So without any further ado, let's get started. Today I'm going to make a Christmas tree out of doilies. So I got a golden doily and a green doily. So I'm going to alternate and make a Christmas tree with this. So let's get to it. So this is one of the Dollar Tree reindeer. I got it long back. So it's golden color and it's also reindeer looking. So I thought like I'll decorate for Christmas. So this one, and I'm going to decorate him with some Christmas ribbon. And these are leftovers from my gift box and some of the golden and green ribbon. So yeah, let's get started. And the next one, I'm going to make a gift box out of this one. This is one of my lotions cover. So I'm going to use this as a gift box, and I have some Christmas ribbon going on. So I'm going to make this as a gift box. So let's get to it. So these are the final results of all the projects, and this is the Doily Christmas tree. I alternated the green and golden doilies, and I stuck one of the golden ornament on the top, and I created two bows from the Christmas ribbon, and this is how I'm going to decorate my Christmas tree for this set of projects. And I created one of the gift box from one of the lotion cover. I stuck one of the Christmas ribbon around it, and also one of the golden ribbon, and I stuck one of the vase filler red color on the top. So I just created like a gift box on this side, and this side I have a cute golden reindeer. I got this from long time from Dollar Tree, and it's so beautiful, so it's going with the theme. So I created a bow from a couple of ribbons and stuck one of the vase filler, and he's also joining the party here. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did, and thank you so much for watching today. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing, liking and sharing, and click on the bell icon if you want to see more videos like this. And yeah, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.